And guess what? We're back with another tutorial. Gal, yeah, you. Stay tuned. So the way I tried to make this tutorial fun and informative for you guys, and say, I edit something, it's not working anyway. Y'all see the blue, and we are laying down some more base right here to show you guys how pigmented and pure and buttery this is. Going in with Bad Gal NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Swear by this, my favorite high-end foundation. And putting it all over the face, as you can see. NARS Concealer. Love that. For everyday wear, you can use this concealer. Yo, that brusher from Shein did her big one. Nah lie. She does it all the time. Going with the e.l.f. Light Beige Concealer, Catsina from Juvia's Place Contour Stick. Putting her all over the forehead, even snatching the nose. I said, even giving Dr. Miami a little run fee money. Yeah, girl, you that. Sprinkling a little fairy dust on the face, yeah, to smoothen out these cheekbones, and Juvia's Place Burkina all over the face. Going in with the Yardi Cosmetics Culture 2 Contour Palette. Swear by this, use code SHAW. And we are Blush Girls. If you know, you know. Hey, my love, I'm blushing up. Hey, you see me when I come through. That's what I said. That's what I said. Anyway, putting on the eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow on the bottom lash lines. Full of everything nice, water liner. You see the precision, very much so pigmented. Lasts very long, no cracking, no none of that. Should be dropping soon. Galarod Statement Highlighter. You see her. Fan Nefida Browning. Big up yourself, mommy. Question of the day, my good girl them. If you had a friend that you thought was your friend, and however they turned around to be jealous of you, what you did go do with them? Because this is what I did with them. I tell them to go run up underneath them mother, go use your mother, you cannot use me. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. My love, no, bad. Big up on yourself. All right. Phew.